Westside.
This is the Westside Future Fund's third Ride for the West Side. So we have bike race, we have a run jog, and then we also have walking. You know, in these neighborhoods that we're doing the races today, like English Avenue, Vine City, if we weren't doing this, there would be no other races.
This event was a pastime of John Allman and I. We used to run and bike together and felt we could do something with our two organizations to have a community engagement event that promoted health and engagement at the same time. And it's awesome to see the third annual Ride for the West Side.
Part of what we want to do is lift up these neighborhoods and help folks experience them in a fun, safe way.
I'm a resident of the West Side at English Avenue, and I like it. I like it because more attention is coming to the West Side, historical West Side, and it's being brought back to life.
We're definitely hoping that this community engagement activity spurs others to want to do activities on the West Side.
For folks that live in the neighborhoods, that they feel like they had a great time and that we did this in a way that honored and lifted up the neighborhoods. For folks not from here, I hope they'd come and say, wow, we didn't realize these neighborhoods are really on the move, realizing some of the history, what they meant to our city, and a greater appreciation that why these neighborhoods are so important to our city.
To see everybody's actually bringing importance to a historical west part of Atlanta, it's a great feeling to see that. Westside Future Fund's and Quest, CDC, has brought the West Side back to life.
If you missed the Ride for the West Side this year, get ready. Next year it's going to be bigger and better.